Cowboy. Runway 1. Cowboy. Runway 1.
There's a tower, Fist 5, 4 F-16s, North Loop, request taxi for runway 08 for Macedonia 1 North departure.
Fist 5-1.
Larissa Tower.
Taxi in sequence. Taxi.
Runway 08 left.
Runway 08 left, Fist 5.
Latitude Tower, Boxer 213 F-16s in the south EOR, request takeoff runway 08 left.
Cowboy. Runway 1.
Boxer 21, Latitude Tower, clear for takeoff, winds 090 at 4.
2's taxiing.
Okay, for your orientation, I opened my canopy.
Visual.
Behind me?
A-firm.
Right. Closing canopy.
Boxer 2-2.
Larissa Tower.
Taxi clear of the runway.
I don't think that's the position that was meant.
Fist 5-1.
Larissa Tower.
Taxi clear of the runway. Fist 5-2.
Larissa Tower.
Taxi clear of the runway. Fury 4.
Larissa Tower.
Resume on navigation.
That's good data.
2 in position.
Jammer.
Cam 1 Fury 1 cleared to observation. Cam 1 Fury 1 lands. Cam 1 Fury 4, we're stacked up on the left echelon and request pre-contact for 1.
Yeah, this frame rate is killing me.
341 clear to be contact. 3,000 pounds.
Fury 4-1, Camel 1-1, clear to contact position.
341 clear contact.
Contact.
Fury 4-1, contact. Requesting 3,000 pounds.
Fury 4-1, Camel 1-1, heads up. Tanker is entering turn.
Fury copies.
Roger.
This tanker's a bit funky, I think.
That's no excuse. I only see three of them. Do you see the fourth guy?
He should be right to your right.
I just see three jets.
Rock
Close.
your wings.
You see that?
I think the fourth is moving in there. I'm behind you to your 7 o'clock.
But I still see only three. Ah, now I see the fourth guy. Was way out of formation.
Yeah.
Contact.
There was a warp.
Yeah, I saw that.
Fury 4-2, Camel 1-1, heads up. Tanker is entering turn.
Say again?
I think our max fuel is 12.5.
Yeah, I think something like that, or 12.2. Come on, Fist 5, request clearance for pre-contact.
Fist 5-1, Camel 1-1, clear to pre-contact position. Roger.
Fist 5-1, cleared for pre-contact.
Fist 5-1, Camel 1-1, clear to contact position.
Fist 5-1, cleared for contact. Fucking KC-10.
Contact.
Fist 5-1, contact with 3,000 pound. 12,000.
Disconnect.
Fist 5-1, top
Roger.
off.
Roger.
I might have jacked up accidentally, pressed Y3. But I pressed Y1 again.
You did?
Yeah.
That doesn't seem to be on station anymore.
Yeah.
Okay, let's fall back. Get away from the tanker, we need to get some distance first before we can call him again.
Copy. 2's blind.
To your right, 3, 4 o'clock.
Visual.
This 5-1, Camel 1-1, clear to contact position.
Just have one clear.
Contact.
First 5-1 contact. Request 1000. One stopped off.
Disconnect. Roger. This 5-2, Camel 1-1, clear to pre-contact position.
This 5-2, copy, pre-contact.
I think he's gonna stay level now for a while.
Let's hope so.
This 5-2, Camel 1-1, clear to pre-contact position.
Did you call him again, or what was that?
I did. I called him again.
Okay.
This 5-2, Camel 1-1, clear to contact position.
Copy. Fist 5-2, copy, clear contact.
He's coming down.
Contact.
Phew.
Ridiculous.
Yeah, I was already looking out for alternate air bases.
Yeah, I would have made it home. It's just, this frame rate is ridiculous. I'm always behind whatever is happening. 1,000 pounds.
This 5-2, Camel 1-1, heads up. Tanker is entering turn. Disconnect.
Perfect timing. Fist 5-2, disconnect.
Hit Y3 now.
Roger.
Okay, let's come right.
2.
Let's go for steel point 4.
Night 3-4, say status.
Night 3-4 is about to turn in. We'll advise.
Copy, thank you, sir.
934's in.
What was that about?
Copy 934. Cleared hot. Last pass on the bunker.
I don't know, wasn't
Clear
me.
to the north. Rejoin with your flight.
Cleared hot, last pass.
Push uniform 17.
Copy.
Fist 5. Vandal 1.
Go.
Haven't heard you guys check in. If you are close to stage west, you guys are cleared to enter stage west at the top. Currently have one flight in the stack, call sign Fury 4, 4 ship.
Copy that. At what altitude?
Fury's 15 through 18.
Copy, cleared in the stack 19 and 20. Altimeter setting 3064.
Fist copy is Angels 19, 3064.
Nine 3-4, miss north.
Copy, 934's clear the range. Have a good one.
Night 3-4, or Night 3. Night 3, thanks for the work. Cleared to check out uniform 17.
Night 3's checking out uniform 17 for RTB. Thank you, range controller.
Then a Fury 4 in.
Alright, I'm gonna go 3 mile trail.
Confirm Fury 4 calling
Roger.
in. Fury 4-1.
Fury 4-1's in.
I'm
Copy, Fury
reducing
4-1,
to
cleared hot bullseye.
350 knots.
2.
Fury 1 cleared, hot, bullseye.
Alright, all flights the pattern. One thing I want to point out is that if there's no one below you, 1,000 feet below you, you can drop down. So if you're at 18 and there's a guy at 16 but no one at 17, just drop down. And if you're at 16 and the guy at 15 calls in, drop down.
Fist 5.
Alright, I'm hanging out at Angels 20.
One's off, one way. Vandal 4, Fury 1, 4-1 is off dry.
Copy, off try.
Fury 4-1 off track.
Fury 4-2 is in.
Fury 4-2, cleared hot bunker.
Fury 4-2, cleared hot bunker.
All flights, the high score today so far is only 2 hits out of 3. 2 hits out of 3.
Fury 4-3 in.
Fury 4-3, cleared hot bridge.
Fury 4-2 missed east. Cleared hot bridge.
To 17.
Fury 4-2 miss east.
4-2.
Fury 4-4 in.
Fury 4-4, cleared hot, bullseye.
Fury 4-4 cleared hot bullseye.
Fury 4-3 in hot bridge. Fury 4-3 off and away.
Fist 5-1 in.
Copy, cleared hot bunker.
Good.
Fury 4-4 in hot bullseye.
Copy Fury 4, Fury 4-3 miss north.
All pilots only call in once. You only call in once from the steer point 57.
Where's off runway?
Fist 5-2 in.
Fist 5-2, cleared hot bunker.
Fist 5-2 copies.
You're also in the bunker?
Fury 4-1 in.
Hey, Fermi said bunker.
Yeah, same to me.
Oh, Fury 4-1.
Fury 4 miss south.
Copy, miss south.
Altitude.
Say again for Fury, Vandal.
Thought you called Vandal 1-1.
Yeah, I did. I just called Fury 1-1 or Fury 4-1 in.
Fist 5-1 off target right.
Fury 4-1, cleared hot bridge.
Fury 4-1 cleared hot bridge.
Fist 5-1 confirm you're off dry.
Okay.
Fist 5-2, confirm you're not in.
Fist 5-2 in on the bunker.
Copy, thank you.
Fury 4-2 is in.
Fury 4-2,
I don't know
cleared
what-
hot bullseye.
I don't know why my bomb didn't go off the jet.
Fury 4-2, cleared hot bullseye.
Maybe you pressed the pickle too early. Or too late.
Fury 4-1 good hit.
Nah, I used CCIP.
Fury 4-1.
Master arms on.
Fury 4-3's in.
Fury 4-3 cleared hot bunker.
Fury 4-3 cleared hot bunker.
Fury 4-4 in.
Fury 4-4 cleared hot bridge.
Fury 4-4 cleared hot bridge.
It's descending to fist 5-1 in.
Fist 5-1 cleared hot bunker.
Fury 4-3 miss north.
Four is off one away.
Fist 5-2 in.
Fist 5-2 cleared hot bullseye.
Altitude.
And can you confirm hit
Altitude.
4-4?
Fury 4-4 miss north.
Told you we shouldn't have bought imposters.
Fury 4-1 in.
Fury 4-1 cleared hot bunker.
4-1's cleared hot bunker.
Fist 5-1, 1 away. One bunker.
Fist 5-1 could hit.
Fury 4-2 is in.
Fist 5-2 off dry.
Stand by, Fury 4-2.
4-2 standing by.
I can't get a bum up my jet.
Copy, Fury 4-2 cleared hot bridge.
Vandal, I got Fury 4-1's got smoke in the bunker. I didn't assign target.
Yep, copy that, Vandal. Because we have an odd number of aircraft, you can either go around or attack the target.
Yeah, copy. I got no smoke now. I'm good.
2 say fuel.
Say again, are you going to drop now?
Your
Drop
state
it on
is 8.9.
Copy.
Roger.
Last pass, clear to the north after.
Fury 4-1's last pass cleared north.
So I've got no idea why I don't have a bomb off.
Roger.
Fury 4-2 cleared. Cleared in.
Want to give it another
Yep, Fury
try?
4-2 cleared hot bridge.
Negative. Negative. He's out of position.
Okay, firm.
Fury 4-1's off cold.
Fury 4-3's in.
Sorry, off one away. Vandal.
Fist 5-1 in.
Altitude.
Fist 5-1 cleared hot
Altitude.
ridge. Fist 5-2, try and take a little spacing because you're also going to be in on the bridge.
Fist 5-2 copies.
4-4 off one away.
Fury 4-4, what did you drop on?
4-4 dropped on the bunker hit.
Fury 4-4 miss south.
Fury
4-4.
Fury flight clear to deck out uniform 17 RTB, thank you.
Vandal be advised missing my 2.
Fury 4-2, still in the pattern.
Copy.
Fist 5-2 in.
Clear dot 5-2 on the bridge.
Fist 5-1 off. 1 away. Bridge.
Just 5-1, good hit.
Just 5-1, clear to the north, hold for your flight, thank you.
Fist 5-1 cops.
Fist 5-2 off, 1 away.
Copy 5-2, clear to the north, rejoin with your 1, we'll give you a spot in 30 seconds.
Fist 5-2 copies.
Worked this time?
Yeah, I think I had to hold down the pickle button longer. I was holding it down pretty long first 2 times. I don't know what the deal is.
Vandal Fist requests PDA for my number 2.
We sit.
Stand by. Fist 5-2, miss. East.
It looks right on top of it.
Nah, you had the beginning of the bridge. You should hit for the center.
Fist 5-2, further to
Oh,
the
okay.
last. It was a good hit, but it was east by only a few meters.
Fist 5-2.
Okay.
Just cleared off of uniform 17, cleared RTB, thank you. All flights, clear RTB, RCO, Vandal 1-1, Vandal 1-2, checking out.
Fury 4-1 copies.
Fist.
Vandal 1, push 1-3.
Fist 5, push uniform 1-3.
Fury flight check uniform 1-3.
Fist 5, fence out.
3.
2.
Once fenced out, fuel stays 7.7.
2's fenced out, fuel state 7.7.